The future of cryptocurrency in 2025. Is cryptocurrency the future of finance or just a passing trend? As we approach 2025, let's explore what's next for crypto and why it matters to investors like you. The rise of regulation. Governments worldwide are stepping in. By 2025, we can expect clearer crypto regulations. While some see this as a threat, it could bring stability, attract institutional investors, and make crypto safer for beginners. Mass adoption. Crypto is going mainstream. From online shopping to international payments, more businesses are accepting digital currencies. Tech giants are investing heavily in blockchain, and central banks are rolling out digital currencies, transforming how we use money. The technology behind it. Blockchain is evolving rapidly. Innovations like faster transactions, better energy efficiency, and enhanced privacy features could push cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging players into everyday use. Market volatility. Of course, crypto isn't without risks. Prices are still highly volatile, driven by market speculation, regulations, and even tweets. For traders, this means both challenges and opportunities to profit. The investment perspective. Cryptocurrencies are maturing as an asset class. Diversification into crypto is becoming common for portfolios, but the key is understanding your risk tolerance and investing wisely. Experts predict some coins will thrive, while others may disappear entirely. The future of cryptocurrency in 2025 is exciting but uncertain. Will it redefine global finance or remain a niche investment? That's for you to decide. One thing for sure, staying informed is your best strategy. Subscribe for more insights into crypto and markets, and let's navigate this financial revolution together.